Kapag biglang tahimik ang aso mo, please, don't ignore that. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Dogs don't suddenly become quiet without any reason. Based on experience, silence means stress, discomfort, or emotional overwhelm. Hindi sila nagsasalita, kaya behavior ang language nila. Now, here's what I always do. Number 1, observe mo muna. Kumain na ba? Uminom ba ng tubig? Number 2, keep the environment calm. No loud voices. Number 3, avoid forcing play or getting their attention. Huwag mo sila pilitin. Huwag na huwag. Kasi observation before reaction matters. Kaya remember, minsan, ang kailangan lang nila ay nararamdaman nila na napapansin mo sila. If you believe dogs deserve understanding, not just care, hit follow and share this with a fellow dog parent.